morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday. Okay, yesterday was Saturday. Yesterday was Saturday, being 14th of June 2025. I got na rosa because mo abonyi boko abonyi boko ne boko na rosa under the same easy local government area of Ebonyi State, or the same local government. Last year only na rosa because of this boy called Prophet Obadema. I am not here to accuse anybody because with evidence and fact. That is what my lawyer wam. Some Bonny son anything in with evidence and fact. And I will be the last person in or here today to deceive anybody. If I'm Magwagi here or if I'm Magwa you guys, nothing but the truth. Obadema happens to be Bonye Ebonyi, not Ebonyi local government. Bukwamane mwoke Bonyi easy. Monyana bubon only easy under the same Ebonyi not. You understand me? So he's my brother. So it will be unwise for me to fight Kanan Shiogo, to fight against him or not tarnish his image. No, I don't do that. But the go thing, okay, see hotspot. I will do that. I will reply a message. Then we can check it. But what I don't like about Madi need deceiving the bank because some of our people can offer. You understand me? Because Ekutoku Church, in as much as I don't support, I'm not against anybody got church. Today is Sunday. Go to church. Igbo church. Ebataya the yeri. Not with your family. Monday, a Garamogi business. From Monday to Saturday, a Garamogi business. Or Sunday, he make again a Gomogi church. In ye offering. Ichoku ye tithe. In ye tithe and offering. All your money. I'm not against that. But what I'm against, even our community, now our villages. Some of our people draw that are exposed. You would that advantage. Now what happened? I got there yesterday. See the video. Me edit. Make I edit because the video is very long. Need the video here. Come show the video here now. I went there yesterday. No the compound here. I went there yesterday. But their compound na rosa. If they're here. So you guys should come there. By tomorrow, I will post the video. You guys will know what actually happened. Moka Amugo na Chief John Ekpo na Amugo. Because of the fake prophecy about the man Baranda Rosa. You understand me? If I not the people here, I went there yesterday with the families. This man otagidira fufu zoom ya tere no obodo ndocha, and in that Rosa this man be gagoro obodo ndocha in that village as a whole. In that Rosa this man but only compound ya do tere no Rasai country. You understand me? This will bad man before gaba Rosa ndo community torego. You understand me? You understand me now? Before this Obademagaba Rosa, those people were living in peace. They were living in peace. Just so now more Abonyagba in Miboko now. And you more problem Agba in Miboko. We are okay. We are fine. Both Agba and Ndosha, we are okay. We don't have problem. Both Agba and Dikeleg, we are okay. Both Agba and Opesha, we are okay. Both Agba and Rosa, we are okay. We don't have any problem. Ona can there Rosa because we do before. Hana Ngomanya, they drink together as brothers and sisters until some of them say na biko na I like it but Prophet Obadema this boy tag a picture here now actually but this boy come make there no one on them ometare vurukas no ometare je na actually kwa bia ometare je nwere for ya me omeya anybody na agwo na gbugide ma because igwo aburaji here because every freedom of worship. You are entitled of Igbo. but nke adọrọma bụ ịgwọ ọgwụ gwogide mmadụ ịgwọ ajọ ọgwụ ka igbuo mmadụ nke a bụ nke enye achọghọ but ịgwọ ọgwụ inwe freedom of ị na-agwọrọ onwe gị ọgwụ na-efere onwe gị chukwu chọọ ifere onwe gị freedom of worship. So the communities ba ndị anya si na nwere ndị anaghị aga n'iru na data ara ọza nwee ndị na-aga n'iru so therefore a ga-ala aka ịkpọ this guy ka ọ ba mee ihe ekpere ọ na-eme ọ sị na o metara ije means anything imete na ọbịa mechie ekpere na that community by that time next year anybody aka ya dị adịrọcha ndị aga na-anwụ onwere ọmakwụkwọ mmadụ afa ahụ akwụ ya gwara na ọmamkpa mmadụ afa. Now this about the whole community and which I'm the video here the family I made a video more than 30 minutes but I have to edit it by tomorrow. I will post it. The family is saying that Emery this Obadema invite they tax the whole villagers any compound any tax to pay social amount of money. The whole Arosa raised over 1.5 million and pay this boy the car toothpick this boy money at the coffee. Arosa raised over 1.something million. Yeah, this boy you don't have they go to this boy and you never temple that arrow you never temple that arrow they will graduate there under garage school of man way sense and we medical doctors and we lawyers and we engineers there now that arrows undu ogone epuba before egugu akwukwo when sense or imagine a lawyer but this boy got primary 6 a lawyer a barrister, somebody got university, go 4 years or 6 years, may you service put a twego, according this boy Tiakanakbona. This boy that I took over the Arosa community tour over 1.5 million near this boy. Cause the boy be Arosa last year. The boy be Arosa last year 2024. Arosa near Iboko. The boy be there. But me check with him. But this boy be there. This boy you see that now anybody who go Anybody who go to 18 years now that Arosa. Now anybody who go to 18 years now that Arosa. And but this bad man got Arosa. Or anybody who go to 18 years get you 2,000 naira. Go get up there to 2,000. Get you barrier fuel. Get quantity. Mboru Arosa. Or what the whole community, the whole villagers that anybody who work one work out that Arosa. As far as you go 18 years. Me no na village o, me may travel o, nige wo pute 2,000 naira eji barrier moto. You understand me? Na ye wo pute 2,000 naira eji we megene barrier moto. Kambia kwa wo pugodo nya na. Oburi yo na ko kan na ko here. You understand me? Now each person, anybody who go 18 years, na that Arosa. After anything 1.5 million to come and do prayer na Arosa. Or see that as far as non all Patagona arousal now, every male child will go 18 years, get 2,000 get barrier moto. On their way, we put 2,000 every imagono religion, church. Now, here near 2,000 abana, so that open on Moronye, info spirit, more berenwa, ekechi, akarakia, more any info 10, a channel for that male child. No, now in the year 2000 naira go to Bamoto, each child, each male child, na that village. No, now only disconnect again. Each male child will go 18 years, we pay 2,000 naira for that community near. Over 2.something million. Minus 1.5 million in year, a total over 2.something million year. On a baby 4 million something. A back on a water bottle water like this, maybe 1 bottle water, or a bottle water 5,000, go 2,000, kogene, or olive oil, or goya oil, or sticker, or a candle. From the bany. The same community now, the same that community will call me. See my bonny son, and you want to mirio. We don't have miri, we don't have borehole, hand borehole, 1.5 million, 1.8 million, 2 million abapu. They don't have water, they don't get bridge. But I took over 5 million naira. Yeah, this boy take a toothpick. This boy take a money the coffee, and I go to this boy. If you go this boy at TikTok. If you go this boy, that wants to go to video this boy. This boy may go irritate him. On the may go irritate him. In there and if you go say koku, more no woman, more man see bofma, and more man so you bofma. But I can hear my times 100. Don't judge any prophet. Or a man case a prophet. I'm not why. I'm not why. Don't them with says being a defend the rubbish. Don't judge any. Oh, not against a prophet. Tomorrow now, somebody bomb, some boy sell the banana rosa, the more of $1 million. But to look at 2 ego, Kego na Keoto, na any compound, any compound na rosa, Keroto, to over 1.5 million. Near this boy, they can their bokiona. Near, then I'll be at that place. You understand me? Then I'll be at that place. Or better place, each male child will go 18 years. Hope that to 2,000. Or each male child will go 18 years, gain near to 2,000 naira each. Or get you a bar moto. I took on here over 2 million something. The videos are here. I will edit the video tomorrow and post it. Let me edit tomorrow. And I will post it in here with the from the horse's mouth, in here with the from on the children of this man around. You understand me? Total over 5 million in year. Total over 5 million in year. Obakosa Obara, Moka Wemo, Kuriono, 10 houses. The videos are all here. 10 houses. 10 houses. Kakurili, because of the fake prophecy. Nah, Mbenga there yesterday. Nah, see ya. Since you bed me the mayor naba, omogo go private jet here, asemumba. Okay, thank you. Njọ asia ewekwa niwe. Since you bad me better make pere na rosa since last year, omogo go private jet here, asemumba. Onso ya omogo factory na Bonny State from this village, asemumba. So we're going to 5 decking into 5 as a member. What is that? Iya ni nemeka enaba. Iye name akane emekwa. Na moka no this man be na nakoso ndị man their destiny. Na this man na nakoso ndị bada kraka na enyo ya. No yak nwoka ni nebucha graduate. A job we make man bro graduate. You go to school. Iya ga school. E ga school of man. You get from secondary school, he jam from jam, he went admission. From admission, he got into high institution. You understand me? He got into high institution. He get in a high institution. He may gain he got youth service. He got main youth service. It's not because of that thing that this man and I concern them and their destiny near his children. That's how many need to graduate. Many need no good daughter. Only cause of lawyer, only cause of lawyer. Cause no, only cause of lecturer, only cause of this one, only cause of engineer. A job we made those things. The man suffer the zoom ya nine. Tomorrow night the same community will call me. Say my bonny son. And you will want million. But they got to go near prophet. Any prophet they are go for prayer. Bonyoshi. Any prophet they are to go negi bonyoshi. Na go to do this turn on me. Any prophet they are making a skin go bonyoshi. More than 2 years. We went there yesterday. The family were beaten. If they sweat in that letter because of fake prophecy. Sometimes in that Cindy by Memerania. And I remember Madakaraka. And I remember Madakaraka. That is why some of you remain where you are forever and ever. That is why you remain where you are because of the way each. Onya mangote bonya bread. Commission ko wa ilu tema rejali tema ko. Ibi temad, yes temad. You understand me? You understand my point now? So some of the problem I we bunandi bani weka Mama, sometimes some of them if say reason you name very. If you want to teach them ni aburu na akodi asik again. Ibata village you na control na town but 500,000 be na control. Ibata village you put one. You understand me? Iburu one bia. Iba about 500,000 be that country. You don't work as a man. You don't work as a man. Your home and abroad but 500,000 in around town. Because of you were in a village here, you will close that year in the village, cover that police, but that village. We really got 250,000 here from that business, but that village here, they are Shurik. It's a Shurik village. I require 1 week or 2 weeks. He quite 2 weeks now. And I charge a year which you manage here for 150,000 a town. He cover a rate here 80,000 or 150,000. A bata, better than a village here, quite 1 week. Because it's a auto. One girl and more again, he done run a village here. It will be 18 years or 22 years. Ban run a town here, Monona village, or property, rent out hotel room, na 1 week. Then before na charge, open and do the Burgunga Hagida town, every drop, every cover at a police, maybe na pack the tin. And in win a village, you got the bread near 1 man a village, money your money 2,000 naira in a village. You understand me? One them packing, my neighbor in 2,000. Before na charge upon and the every packer wire ne brugo the wire the next thing bona no one paga in 2000 be na destiny sisi nyetari egi na charge ya na agazi nkoma are we not mumu if obi kubana ko sa dash ndị mmadụ ihe onwe fe game obi kubana today ko da ogbenye ka mụnwa oduro money today for go say nyende madego o we fe ge bi akọ dogbe no wa oduro obi kuban baby oku our brother ani chooks ndo mo oil and gas maybe fe go them oduro because nde we go foundation hele go their foundation of ma give we no foundation o what you just because you are managing about 1 million in a town or 600,000 or 500,000 the next thing they came in Bata village chita mwa ina boy yak botik yak potani shidobe when you go back to town obuni ya ine wetego no draw zone it's no only na village na nyegi segbu muwa bebo ni son agbapuru mmiri last year na my place ni Iboko agbanyi mi Iboko kana nara na destiny na nke rice go akwa egoro ma akwa rapa she some old women na village nye ego nye rice nye mangi nye hunu. Let them collect my own destiny. Can I go do my own destiny? Because some of them I don't know them. Not just some no some old women in my community. I have to do that thing for them. So let them collect my own destiny. Me get my baby now. Makandi na ko ya. Oh, because of the fake prophecy. Obadi maga ko rie there. How can you get destroyed along this man? From that place, this man will high BP way more. From that place, this man my ebona he will 8 house here. What can I no one tere? No one tere. Me any nebuta graduate. Me any get school, high institution. Men do a PhD degree, my masters. Ndin cause on outside country. No more for ma. Because this man akota ji of ma. Ma kuku beu. My rice nda na everything ni obo no go to this age and make such thing na your compound kwere no gnime will you survive it? Will you survive? And kind of far tomorrow night pa mo send a message about his son the anus of a pig iye kwa soko na enye segbu if your name na ikuku na ebu to ka ba 4 million here obeme hi o matarije speaking in tongue. But the community cannot nobody can chuka kono to go compound by compound but pull me na your community na your village but you have to go unye this boy you do now Mami but you have to go near sometimes women come from Ekiti state if you call the nas emerani Now only that when I was in the life, more than we got one knock. You understand me? I'm from a Bogat state, Undibaya Rapchiana. I put out a go bottle water 5,000. Now bottle water before Gabaya, he got Wiana, he get Giasaro, he get Giamenka, it's anything. This thing will connect you. Or you are destiny. Or anybody who dish make the destiny. Go by the reaction, go slow. Change a leka. What did the whole use your destiny to do? Each change now how can I street? Now how can I go slow? Who need your destiny? Tozo. Each gala toothpick or tapia. Now garden a street. And that's the destiny. Go ye destiny. No, come on, say save. You don't know how to save money. You don't know how to plan yourself well. Plan no more go for man. There was a time when Sunday made here name. All those nonsense. Here name in the buying. I said I come. After a while, I asked myself a question. Upon your son, oh we care about an about baby on the chat. Side them St. John. So St. John name market. Udako Sunday St. John. Eba nere akwoche na Runabout after Runabout ne First Bank ne MTN office ne ba nere akwoche here. That's how St. John na eba can be before with our people. Say eba can no mputa and then ne bucha na ya adebo adekaba 15 people only 3 people bonde abronde Boni State 12 bonde Boni State. Habata na abani ndị na-anya ọkada ma ndị na-anya keke abata ha ga ṅụọ mmanya pụta side ha ṅụọ mmanya kpọkọ ihe a ṅụọ mmanya tagbuo mgbe cha 3 ka 4 n'ime one room ime da one room ụmụ ndị ga-alaịkụ apụta ya kpọrọ nwaanyị ha du 2 boys n'ime ụlọ kpọrọ nwaanyị batakwa ị ga-akpọta nwunye gị na village 2 boys n'ime one room onye ga-akpọta nwunye onye ga-akpọta nwunye ha nọrọ n'ime one room imeji ihe ka mmekọta nsị abụọ isi no. I need to get up from these people. I have to think about my life. Simba ibano with these people they marry ya name. Onye motego already the same boy na village. Game yebu. I have to get up from that side. Jinwa yo go da apple. Gachuta wo room na wa do bosi biri. That is how my sense begin to change from that nonsense reasoning. Ona yori na ba de fukan mlaka village ngune na munde le menya. Go le menya be mokono be ndika magode memi. Nda gbogbo mu ya love. Open mokono nda gwo nda mi da gwo vunki. Nda meta no don't. Ida gwo ke mu protect omo. O tori gbo mu go wata be job bob. Also poor people can not their destiny. So ndo da ro gbonye. Poor people can not their destiny. Amara mo yega fucho na nda ro gbonye na be na my destiny. Why can't you go and collect the destiny of local government chairman? Why can't you collect the destiny of our able governor, right to be the prince of Bonner Francis Wibu? Collect their destiny. Why can't you go and collect the destiny of Senator Oyeka Chiweboye or Akpabio? E-money. Jowizaza. Go and collect their children's destiny. Oh, give one more if you you don't have anything. You put you run like a go check boya, can the money charina destiny. You don't know how to save. You don't know how to plan yourself well. You plan no more go for if no more in the you can plan no more go for ma. Mariki say more expenses. Stop buying rubbish. A young boy now control the 1 million or 1.5 million. He horse go from January to December. A horse go. Every year you will pay shop. Gongwa hetin me shop. He rush the Batana village that go machine 1.3 million. Kata. After he make expenses of 1.5. And he is profitable 1 million 80 or 2 million 5. You understand me? Or 2 million 3. He go machine 1 million 3, 1 million 4. He make expenses in name. Before rule village he okay go 1 million 6. He a company no he we bonaja. Mona African, Mona Jack no door, no window. Business again, managing a business about 1 million 1 or 800,000, and here will get me safety. If the way I go machine, back in a village. You go machine, you pack in a village. Then you go for bid in a church in a town. onwe ka echi cross main road, things can happen. Moto kogi it's not one na ginye bread mo one mo ya step brother inye 2000 na yo be gara go no na ye me kwaro gi before no sisi go tie nie. Why can't we upgrade? Can those she more upgrade? If you give for the baka ga no money ka kperi ekperi. Have you ever seen for the baka kpọrọ ndị kwaya ma ndị na-esie gaba na community gị ikpekpere mgbe na fada mbaka na-abịa ijogo maọbụ ọneke maọbụ ọkwọmgbo ime ekpere ifunugo ya achị gwa gị si gị bọnsọn mechie ọnụ ịmara ihe na ịkama mma gụwa na-asụ mechie ọnụ m cheke ya profile m far better than you m na-eri ji afọ ị naghị eri ji afọ agụ dị gị na-arụ mụnwa ga adịrọ m na-arụ you know, my boss, go and sit down. You watch me go na mero da wana acha gi go mo na ebe si na apia m na aru. You understand me? I'm a bari. What am go now because of fake prophecy? As long as I go to church, go to church. Worship God. Who eating that an offering? You are free to do that. You understand me? Go church, worship your God, whatever you want to worship, worship it. But in no sense. Monday to Saturday, you gotta work, go to market, you go here, hustle of man, learn how to save. To make money is not hard, but to save is very hard if you don't know those things. Our meeting not be before or form a brothers association. That meeting every Sunday, to go there. I'm not more in on the chow. I'm not more in on the chow. But every Sunday, I put that money. Ophobi Brothers Association. I know there. There was set to be a man, they knew mandos. But I put a woman on it. But every Sunday, I must pay my dues. So that by the end of the year, what my money over again in NATO. By the end of the year, and you that money. When you are married, to make money is not hard, but to save is very hard. Do you know you need to save 2,000 every day? Ega is about bet Naija. Ega is about Lotto. Ega is how now go we need save 2 or 30,000 every day. Times in a year 12 months. Kimego the year with it. Open pay 2,000, 1,000, 1,500, 5,000. Depending kagagiru. A raw big boss will not need that money. From January, in a charge in a BB, he may pay box. Net year by December. The year December 20, may pay ya. Kimegi with it there. He got a surprise, but we don't know how to save. 18 years, 18 years, in Ogwine now. I know my classmate teacher four wives today. But I've played about his son. Because I'm from before yellow one, get in as I say about his son. Yellow one, about his son. And what if you made him na genoji? John me Vienna, Muguma, by him mao. In no 4 wives, my age mate, Monaga go school. One of you is Jordan Mife. Joran Mife now. You understand me? Canceling all the same thing. Dangote, Mike Adenogo, Innocent, Atoeze, Antonio Elumelu. On that Diego, no, money Diego, Obikubana Diego. She better keep cheap priest Diego. Ndani ne Diego, baby oku Diego. Choice the sanitary wears Diego. Obi Moses. Imani ya buriye community Ngombe. Our local government chairman in the president about the same intervene. He make some people arrest, some people boss. All they come out the 4 or 5 be in a prison. Sima go no the kings and the Igbo and other thing. TJ on Subiko do. And if I join the man, but this man on say if to go the man is saying that the house is destroying, no problem. That no chukunyeriego or ejikwa nyero miyege ejikwa those house. Genyekwa ego ejikwa the house. Ni for the after bo Kenya emara rice pack the whole rice they packed because what can I call rice of my G mokoko meru mego wele you man work na aga bank you go know this old man and work if go work na no 3 wife ya no chobodo no cha ya with a PhD a man and the no ndi na muka jez bego muka sikenye had that property but opuru man that both rice yams the cocoa mewu me go ekpokoro that place any that one but for the house karapu the house agam there yesterday the children akpogo funny say or 3 or 4 house can akpo there for 5
akpogo like 1 2 the stand by akalanwa
okay akpogo 2 ezinku go 2 ezinku be 2 efria kemanu mazu nwoke jaje ego they destroy the whole house so akpogo another house there 2 big house and another 2 big house I get roof very soon. If the team, so if they undi bani kai we access. Let's upgrade. Omori edi kamari, omori de pere make pere. But ebe omori de pere make pere na. The prayer of my mother is what I need. Ekpere mama is what I need. Ekpere my wife is what I need. I need to make pere of another bag. This boy do now. That's go pere make pere. Can je pere yeme up to 1 bottle water. Need this bottle water 5,000. Obia ebo gara so na bottle water 5,000. Ebo da Russia do. Are you not a mumu man? Are you not a mumu man? Up to this boy you do now. And then bottle water na 200 naira. Go call ya. Signal the 5,000 to connect yourself, to disconnect yourself with evil people. If you go ya, are you not mumu? And most especially I bundishi kind of darkness. I bundishi be our own primitive kanko. Last week, this funny said. I'm money up near here. I'm gonna funny said guy there. Another place. Can I only kujo?
Only kujo bukobi Arabaya.
Efria. The banga. I'm the bundishi. Hello? Huh? Okay, ono guy meet at shopping mall. Magic on now. You understand my point? All for the sake here. And I say, only kuje bukobi or bara. Akundi ba yebu bandage achigala leka. Ego na abu. Ona kesi yichera ko ya. Itika stick ya. Nyara wo chocolate ya. Wori stick ya chikata na ro. Musu onye meri ndi ba nyiro wa. That's what it is church. You can go to church. But use your sense. Obro onye kuje magi mompago bara. Mabo kuje Jesus obara. No onye kuje bukobi obara. Imagine Obro photo of Bukobi, whatever say Bukobi. No, the mumu, how the God do na ye. Hey, shake what? Because even my appointment, please. Even my appointment, maybe in the evening will continue. You understand me? So please, with your sense, ego no geji. I swear, this man children are poor spit on. I swear, when I went there yesterday, na try yo. Nobody born of a man. Or na mamu zurori, mpama amugo, my father mpama amugo. But now mama no do now. Mama zurori, ijidoro mama ebo zurori, mama egburo mad, ijidere are red-handed. Ebo suro madoma, mo ba madegbe. E bia semena one this boy dika, obadema, bia semena. Biana agba mi boko asina mam na mi ya ejide mama ba kuru no mtrafu we gbo oga na for you oga na for you you go collect you no give you survive if on a low key matukwa agba mo dey do children you guys try you graduate everywhere three wives all of them are graduate with PhD and masters no na me that's one of them in every compound. You go able for your government aga NDA because some of that compound they will for your NDA there gas school and army I put a my war rank major or captain in the Jesus. You understand me? Oh yeah, my wife is here say I came my son or say and say when you take me no wa come on mo ke arega military obro kwa ngana kuna main road because mo mo go o we can go ku magu rose bo if you want to kill me open and down with the military people at their compound. So I bundi can come. Most I about click. We are about clicky people. Gang can be in sense. Again to call no prophet to call that money that don't neka. To go now to call that money good make good. Oburu mazeto community atuko ego send onye mazeto obodo Igbo ndu nwe sense. Community can raise money, send 3 people to outside country. If they don't know, have no young sense, no young sense of reasoning. Atuko ego, and they be oge gbogbo community atuko ego near 2 people you look they will go there and expand, come back and make the community proud. Nkanya odoro like that. No you put atuko ego near man of God. Oba make better. He cannot go no. He don't have hand work. He won't hand work. He don't have shop. If in a rebel color, toothpick or tapia, more singlet in a guarnaca without service. God, please, thank you.